You've studied hard and memorized the material, but in the exam, scoring well depends on how you use it. Dumping everything you know can lead to long, unfocused answers. This lecture will teach you how to link what you remember to what the question is really asking, to stay on topic, avoid wasting time, and write answers that hit the mark. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify the core focus of a question. Select only the most relevant facts to support your answer. Avoid over-explaining or going off topic. Why dumping facts doesn't work. In panic mode, many students write everything they know about a topic. But exams reward precision, not information overload. Irrelevant facts dilute your answer and frustrate the examiner. Example: explain 2 causes of the Cold War. Don't give a full Cold War timeline. Focus on 2 causes, for example, ideological conflict and the division of Germany, and briefly support each. If your answer doesn't match the question's demand, your knowledge won't translate into marks. How to find the focus of the question. Break each question into 3 parts. Command word: what is it asking you to do? Explain, discuss, evaluate, compare. Subject: what's the topic or event? Limit: are there numbers, time frames, or a specific angle? Example: evaluate the impact of social media on political awareness among youth. Command: evaluate, present pros, cons, and your view. Subject: impact of social media. Limit: political awareness among youth. Write or underline a summary in your own words. I need to discuss both sides of how social media affects young people's political awareness, then give a final judgment. Match your facts to the focus. During prep, group facts by the type of question they help answer. Why, causes or reasons. How, process, steps, mechanisms. Evaluate, pros, cons, judgment. Compare, similarities and differences. Attach cues to each fact. This supports the economic cause. Use only when asked why the economy mattered. This keeps recall purposeful, not random. Self-check while you write. After each paragraph, pause and ask, is this answering the question directly? Avoid common traps, giving definitions when not asked, adding unnecessary background, repeating ideas in different words. Stick to what the question asked, the relevant facts, clear explanation of how they connect. Knowing isn't enough. You must use it wisely. The best answers are not the longest. They're the most focused. Learn to filter, match, and connect your facts to the question's intent. That's what examiners reward.